Hello everyone, once again you are welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be producing this lovely medicated soap like that of a Dettol soap. Don't mind the color is not the Dettol soap color, but all the same the ingredients I have in it, they are so good for your skin. Look at how lovely it came out. Even the odor is you can see the kind of mold I use. This mold is the best. Silicone mold is the best. It makes your product come out very well. Can you see? And even the mold will be very clear. The tone stay. Okay, I'll be teaching us the secret on how to make this the medicated soap. It's so simple. Just follow my step-by-step explanation and you are good to go. Okay, the oil I have there, I have two different types of oil. And please take notes. I use palm oil and I use the palm kernel oil. Please, when you are making bathing soap, because this one is majorly for body, for our skin, please don't bleach your palm oil with chemical. Please don't bleach it with chemical. Okay, what I show here is the shea butter. You know, the shea butter also helps to nourish the body. It's very good on your skin, so I added it to it. And what you saw me show now is this is the chlorozil, no, the main ingredient for making your medicated soap. And of course the colorless one is the glycerin I'll be adding to it. You know the importance of glycerin in our bathing soap. It also helps to keep our body moistured, not dry. Okay, and the other one you can see is the vitamin E. Of course, I'm putting the label there and I'll be coloring it with a yellow color. The coloring I'm going to use is the water soluble type, so I will use it at the end of the production. So now the next thing we are going to melt all our oil together, and that's what you saw me. I put the shea butter there. I will have to melt it together so that all can be in the liquid form. So that's what you can see me now. The oil is already melted together, the shea butter. Make sure all the shea butter is well mixed, is well melted with the other oil. Like I say, don't bleach the palm oil you are using with chemical. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to show you is the glycerin. I added 10 ml of glycerin into it. Okay, too much of the glycerin can make your soap sweat, so you must work with the measurements I use here if you don't want your soaps to sweat. Okay, so the sample I showed you, no sweating, everything was very intact. Okay, sorry how to have showed us the caustic solution. Sorry about that. If you use your soap measurements app, I have the caustic as 174 and I soak it in the water of 435 grams. That's what you see me pour. I'm pouring the caustic solution, the lye solution into the oil, and as I pour it, you mix it. Make sure you mix each time you are pouring anything. Make sure you mix them thoroughly. Sorry, I ought to have shown us our caustic solution before, but all the same is still there. You can see how it's already coming out so fine. Okay, just do me something, just do me a favor by clicking on that like button, and then please don't forget to share it, and let us meet at the comment section. Okay, I'll be eager to see you and read from you from the comment section. Okay, this is the baba of it, the chlorozil that I'm adding to it. I'm adding 10 ml to it. Yes, just 10 ml. Okay, and then you mix. At each time you pour any ingredient, make sure you mix them thoroughly so that it doesn't cause separation. Some of these chemicals, if you don't get it from the right vendor, it might be causing separation. But this one I use is very authentic. I'm sure of my vendor. Okay, so the next thing I'll be adding is my vitamin E. Your body, your skin also need vitamin, and this vitamin E is very good for your body. In your soap, I love this soap. When it came out, it lathered so well. Looking at it, looking yummy, as if like chocolate. It's not chocolate, oh. This is so butter. And you know, like I've always said, if you're a newcomer, your soap butter should always be in the medium trays before you pour it. Don't let it be thickened. Okay, and you can reach me on the number written on the screen. It's not difficult. You can be a soaper within 30 minutes. Yes, I mean it. I mean it. I mean it. Those ones that have contacted me for private teaching, for class, physical class and online, they are appreciating it. Okay, what you saw me is the color, because we are producing something like that. Okay, any medicated soap can have any color anyway, but I decided to use a color. And then there's one thing I've always told us: when you are putting your color, don't let it be too much. If not, it will come out deeper. Exactly what happened to what I did. So just make your soap mild, your color mild. Okay, it will still come out very well. Okay, have you not subscribed? What are you waiting for? Subscribe and let the family keep going. Join the family, and of course you can join our group too. Just click on that join and you will see our details here. Oh my god, the last one I'm pouring is the fragrance. Everywhere was taken over with this odor. It came out so smelly, so nice. Of course, by this time your mold ought to be very close to you. Okay, so that at this looking so yummy, I so much love it. I so much love this soap production. What are you waiting for? I've not read from you. Let me read from your comment. Okay, and so I get ready my mold to make sure that it's well poured air before it. Look at how it's even shine. Our antiseptic medicated soap is set. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, have you subscribed? If not, what are you waiting for? Yes, so I like to see new subscribers, and I would love to appreciate my old returning subscribers too. Those ones that share their papa. Yes, so, and then those ones that join our club, our Custom to Venture Club. You are awesome people. So you can just you can use any mode of your choice, but I use this one for practical. You can use any shape. You can use rectangular shape. You can use square shape. Thanks so much. I appreciate your time. I will definitely see you in my next video. Okay, I will see you on my next video. Once you subscribe, please put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you will be among the first set of people that will see it. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Looking so yummy already. Yes, tidying up the place. Looking so yummy already. And then, lo and behold, it's ready to be unmolded. Look at it. You can't beat it. Even the color came out so well. Thank you so much. And then God bless you. See you. Custom to Venture is the right place to stay to learn Obonge training. Simple, made easy. The training is made easy, whether online or physical. Anyone is good to go. Okay? Thanks so much. God bless you. And so bye.